Well, after a cold February and then a sunny March full of incredible weather, that had many of us thinking about firing up the grill and spending some time outdoors. Tami joins us with a breakdown how you could step up your grilling game. And we're not talking about just breaking out the little Weber anymore. We're talking about we're going high-end with some of these things.
High-end,
yeah.
absolutely.
Some beautiful grills out there.
This is an extraordinary thing that I see as a trend in the design industry, and I'm working on a couple of these right now, outdoor kitchens. We're not talking about just a grill. These are kitchens. And our first example that we're going to get into, this one to me lays out something like, how would you design this?
Wow.
Well, El Dorado, which is actually a company that makes concrete cabinets, they have a design tool that's a drop and drag. So they are concrete boxes that you can put an exterior, looks like stone or wood, on the exterior of it. What's great about it, it's fireproof and it's bug proof. But then you drop and drag the sizes, and you just put in what your appliances are, exterior appliances, grills, etc.
Is that a dishwasher on the right?
It is.
Oh my
and
goodness.
Good point on that. And that's one of the things we're going to talk about. These are spaces that people intend to entertain, and that's where it gets very complicated. What do you want? And we're going to see more and more of this.
Yeah, and you don't have to go that big if you're doing this.
No, you do not. And that's one of the things that I also want people to know. These cabinets are lovely, even if you're just trying to create a small intimate space and put your own barbecue out there. The drag and drop tool is for these El Dorado cabinets, but whatever you're putting in there, it's going to be great. It'll help you.
The second one that you're showing me is one of my favorites. I love this.
I love the reaction I got out of you on this one. And that's because this is the Gaucho grill.
Look at that.
This is made by Kalamazoo. And as you look at this, and it is awe-inspiring, just like a sports car, this thing is 25 grand. And the reason is Argentina-style grill. What that wheel does is it literally elevates the meat up and down, just like the pit masters you see on the Food Channel, Food Network, those types of cooking shows. Here's the cool thing. If you go online on YouTube, these pit masters have been making these for years with pulleys so they can raise and lower. And that's wood-fired, you know, that goes into charcoal.
It doesn't have to be the fancy version.
No, this is if money's no object and you want it to be extraordinary looking, that would do it. Or go to YouTube and figure out how to do it yourself.
Now, some people like to grill with gas. Other people like to barbecue with charcoal.
Yes, this is very true. And so what has happened is in the exterior design industry, they have created hybrids. So in other words, and this kitchen gets kind of back to your point, which is this thing has everything. This kitchen you're looking at right now.
This is as big as my apartment.
This thing you could entertain 50+ people in here. Hybrid means you could have a gas grill and charcoal in the same grill, but also what we're seeing now is overhead ventilation. So heaven forbid your entertaining space is smoky. They have wine chillers, they have kegerators, you know, all of the dishwashers, to your point, all of it's in there. But what I also want to say about this is, I went online on Amazon and I found many of these things for a few $100s. Certainly they're not high end, but you could buy them yourself and create that outdoor space that you would want.
And Tami, real quick, the last one, this one is just like work of art.
Thank you. This is something anybody can do.
Wow.
Okay, buy your exterior furniture at a box store and put in an outdoor fireplace. This one's from Napoleon. It's see-through. I really like it. Exterior fireplaces, gas fireplaces, started around $3 grand. Put a surround on it. Now you have a beautiful space. Even if you have a condo, wouldn't you want one of these?
I want one now.
And they even make them in electric.
Oh, there you go.
There you go. So you don't even need a gas line.
Something for everyone.
Something for everyone.
Get your grilling on. That's Tami Michaels. We'll be right back.